Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2015 GMC Acadia? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine Compartment Fuse Box. The engine compartment fuse box with HID lighting in the 2015 GMC Acadia protects and controls circuits for the engine, transmission, cooling, fuel systems, and high-intensity discharge headlights. It ensures safe power distribution and prevents electrical overloads. The engine compartment fuse box with halogen lighting in the 2015 GMC Acadia distributes and safeguards power to the engine, transmission, cooling system, fuel delivery, and halogen headlamps. It helps prevent electrical overloads while ensuring reliable operation. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2015 GMC Acadia provides and protects power for interior systems such as the infotainment, climate controls, power windows, and convenience features, ensuring safe and dependable cabin operation. The relay side houses relays that control high-power circuits for essential systems like the starter, fuel pump, cooling fans, and lighting. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement. while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.